Dashmani Fibro, result of the Jonka Gram Sevak, Jonka DSC, Eastern West Khas Hill District, kene Artrek April, Arhajar Arpsan, penmi kene, skanmau pikir nomor jong itu candidate Kiba exam. The result of the written examination for the post of Gram Sevak held on 5th April 2025 at the twice wide number, date 26 February 2024 is hereby declared. The candidate bearing the following roll number are qualified to appear for the local language paper test scheduled on the 2nd May 2025 at 11 a.m. onward in the conference hall Circuit House Mairang. Kini roll number way sao khandai ru khandai way are pra nyo san way ndu not ru nyo way not khandai pra nyo way are san khat way ndu way not sao way not nyo way pra way lai nyo san sao way are way not pra way san sao san way not sao way pra way pra sao nyo way are no not nyo way are nyo ru san way are pra sao pra way lai way san not. Seskan mau kini roll number kandon saka language paper test ban qualify dan sepoi saka personal interview. Tebaro kini kiba qualify kidon kat nring word a sao sin sao long kan rew sao kan rew nring word in compliance date Shillong government will have to appear for the qualifying paper on knowledge of local language kade khasibet baro kindon ki essay kindon ki tin kanno kindon ki intui baro passage. And this is for further information of the eligible candidate that the qualifying paper on knowledge of local will be a descriptive paper of total 50 marks, and to qualify for the same, eligible candidate must score at least 35%. Nakumno khat nyo na khat pramarks a ban qualify ban pass makaretang qualifying. Only those eligible candidates who qualify the language paper test shall be called for the personal interview. Tangkana higajung tip kuleshbun.